Here's a new item I actually asked for at least a month ago. It said it didn't exist. It's a Bluetooth keyboard for your phone. Logitech makes it, and it's about $50. So all this is the keyboard, but you don't have to. I don't need this anymore because I won't be using my thumb. I can use all my fingers, and there's commands. It's like having a mouse and a keyboard for your phone. Actually, I got to figure out how to use within the apps. But you can go to different Command Shift to get to your app finder. Type in the first few letters and it opens up. And then you'll be able to see, I'm going to practice what I'm doing. It's too easy. And then go to different ones. Which ones do I usually check? Oh, my messages. Or you could go into your actually phone. Command Shift. Oh, photos. Actually, yep. To your emails. Without exposing some of my personal stuff. And then to write a message, I guess open it up and put someone for a work one, I guess. I think the tab will work. Yeah, I should have done that. It autofills, of course. My fingers, it's a smaller keyboard, but it works just fine. Oh, and Logitech, it's called Keys to Go. You want to look it up on the internet, you can order it online or go into Best Buy. I'm not sure if the other tab doesn't seem to go. And he's speaking Spanish. Hola, yeah. Amigo. And just send it off when I'm ready. So, hope you enjoyed. Now you can take your phone off. The Bluetooth disconnects. You type it on. Keep it in here. Either way. Okay, enjoy it.